Hi everyone, I'm Annette Morris, and this is my DIY Dollar Tree Farmhouse Valentine wall decor. The items that you will need from Dollar Tree is the foam board, the contact paper, peel and stick, the heart shape, and you'll see later on you need those wedges, this foam wedges, and also these materials that you see pictured above. And this will get you a start with pulling everything together. You also probably will look for any heart shape that you may have, or that a copy that you can find, medium-sized heart, and you will need cardstock or any kind of board paper to cut that out. And after gathering all this material, then you just want to start pulling it together. Here I'm just laying everything out and getting an idea of where I want to place the different lettering and the heart shape, of course, in the middle to even it out on both sides as far as the lettering. And you can either pick up a paint pen or you can use the same materials here that you can get at the Dollar Tree. Everything here can be found at the Dollar Tree. Okay, sit back and relax and enjoy. And here I'm showing you how you gather all the materials in the back. And this is what I've done before. So I'm showing you the same technique that I use here. You can also use on the heart. And this is my faux candy coming up. Chocolate candy with icing on it. And This is a technique that I use to put it together. Now, I will go into this in a more detailed video to come, but right here I'm just showing you with using the sponge wedges that you get at the Dollar Tree. This is how I came about this, and just mixing the paint and also using the puffy paint to achieve this look. And we're done. Now, I didn't mention that you can use this as a message board because the candy pieces are actually push pins in the back. So you can attach notes to this and put it in your kitchen, or you can put it in the office area. It's up to you. So I hope you enjoy seeing me put together this farmhouse wall decor that will go in any room of your choice. And which design did you like? Remember, this is all interchangeable. And this sign is also interchangeable for the season. So you simply put Velcro to the back and you can change it up as you please. If you decide to create this, just leave me a comment down below and let me know. If you have anything to ask me, comment down below. And we're done. Now for more home decor and DIYs, I'll see you next time. And as always, thank you, amores. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.